Hello and welcome to TIOmarkets Price Action Analysis. I'm Janne, Muta, Chief Market Analyst for TIOmarkets, and today we're going to take a look at USD pairs. There has been some dollar weakness lately, but maybe it's the time to see something else for a moment. Maybe it's the time for reversals. Let's go and see what the price charts will tell you. But first, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and also, as usual, please do remember that we don't provide any investment advice and you should watch this video only if you agree with this disclaimer. Okay, so here we have Euro USD in daily time frame, and as you can see, the market really started rallying from a support at the time when we had the dismal NFP numbers. Just like we said, if the numbers are bad, the risky assets are likely to go up, and this is indeed what happened. Not only with Euro USD, but also with stocks and oil. And now we are trading above this downward sloping trend line. But at the same time, we are approaching an interesting level. Or a zone, I should say. We are approaching 50% Fibonacci retracement and 50 period moving average there. So let me widen this up a little bit so that you can see better. So we are really approaching a cluster of things here, a cluster of technical factors. 50% level, 50 period moving average, and 61.8 retracement level there, coinciding with the 2198 resistance there. Now, if the market loses momentum below this 2198 level, then it's more likely to retrace maybe down to 2053, which has been an important level in the past. Maybe it has a role in the future as well. The sort of more bullish scenario is obviously that the market just bullishly runs through this 2198 level, and then it's more likely that we get a move to sort of 2350 or so levels, maybe test these highs there. But why would there be reasons in other currencies to think that there might be a reversal ahead? I don't know obviously if this is going to happen, but I want to give you a heads up so that you can follow the prices and see how the price action develops. So let's go and see the other charts as well. Let's quickly take a look at one market that doesn't show any signs of reversal. This market, cable, is running higher, and we talked just a few days ago, just a couple of days ago, we talked about this market approaching this resistance and mentioned that it's a key level. So if we get above this resistance, then we thought there's maybe about 200 pips for the market to run, and this is exactly what is happening at the moment. So it looks good, but obviously if the market retraces a bit, if we get some dollar strength, then there's a possibility that the market here retraces back to 3760 or so, and then obviously being in an uptrend, it looks more likely that it could move further. If this level doesn't hold and the market for any reason comes through that, then obviously that's bearish, and then we have to reevaluate what's going on in the market. But at the moment it looks good. And here we have USD yen. As you can see, the market rallied and then gave it all back, came down to this 104.40 support, which happens to be fairly close to 20 period moving average and the channel low. We have a bull channel here after the market broke out of this bearish channel, and now we are trading fairly close to levels where the market is oversold. And as we can see, the stochastics oscillator also is pointing to the fact that the market is fairly close to the lower end of its recent range, and now therefore there is some buying coming in. As you can see, the market came down exactly to 104.40 support and then has bounced a little bit. So if this continues, then I think it's fairly reasonable to assume that we get a move to about to this region, maybe even test 105.78 resistance. A more bearish scenario is where the market fails to honor this support and moves out of this bullish channel. Then we have 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 103.80. and there we have the 50 period moving average at 103.89. So I think with these two technical factors coinciding with the previous bearish channel high, I think it is likely that these areas might come into play if the market moves outside of the channel. But this is all from me now, and I wish that you will trade safe and stay tuned for more webinars, for more analysis and more helpful videos at TIOmarkets.com. Thank you.